Bismillah walhamdulillah wassalatu wassalamu ala ashrafil mursalin amma ba'd. Respected chairman, honorable scholars and my dear friends, assalamu alaikum. In this tremendous auspicious occasion, I would like to elaborate the greatest prophecy of the world, the prophet of the world, that is none other than Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and Islam. When speaking about Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Allah characterized him such a way that none of the glitch can be found, and Allah Himself states in His holy Quran, "Wa innaka la'ala khuluqin azim." O Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, you are the best of attitude, you have the best of character. When companions or disciples of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked with Aisha radiyallahu anha about the character of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, she replies that kana khuluquhu Qur'ana. The character of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the whole life of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, it is Quran. Quran was his life. When we speak about the incapable character of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the historian states that both the contemporaries of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, both his friends and foes, acknowledge the stumbling quality, the spotless honesty, the unlimited noble virtues. When we speak about Islam, the religion of peace, the religion of harmony, moreover, Islam is the religion of humanity. Gandhiji was found saying that the more I discover, the more I study, the strength of Islam does not lie on a single soul. He has to say it because his insight towards the character of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam's character was such a way, even unfollowers was following him just because of their first insight towards the life of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, towards the character of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. We can see greatest encyclopedia of Britannica, the encyclopedia ever had, states that Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam has the most successful religious personality. Why? Was he bribed? No. And the answer for this question, has Sir Ramakrishna Rao states in his book, that the character of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So we have to include the character of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam in our life. We have to follow the character of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam in our daily life. So saying, I prolong my words. Wa akhir dawana anil hamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Assalamu alaikum.